I started to make a quick lunch salad, but then I stopped to tape it for you. So my first, I have a heaping bowl of organic arugula from the bag, bitter greens like arugula, kale, dandelion greens, mustard greens. It's okay if you don't like them all, just pick some that you do. They're amazing for digestion and supporting our natural detox process, so definitely get those in. I have half of an organic cucumber in here. Cucumbers are full of living hydration, which our body needs, wants. They are a good source of silica. Silica is great for our skin, great for our bones. Okay, I've got a small tomato. I would add more, but that's all I have left in my fridge. Working with what I have. My meals are always switched up depending on the produce in my fridge. Nothing is really identical. Variety is key so we can get all the vitamins and minerals. I'm gonna add in 3 sprigs of thyme. And here, if you actually get a straight stick like this, the key is just take it from the top, and I still wash these actually, and then just go down. I'll do one more. Thyme is antibacterial, antiviral. It's great for colds, flus, nervous system, memory. Okay, I'm going down like that. So add fresh herbs to your salads, juices, smoothies. I was in a big rosemary kick last week. This week I'm on a thyme kick. I already peeled my garlic to save some time here, but I have 2 cloves of garlic. Definitely add garlic to your life. Don't be scared of the bad breath. Garlic is antiviral, antibacterial, anti-everything. It is so good for us. I am always trying to be more mindful of getting more garlic in. I have 2 dates to add a little something sweet to the salad. Dates are really high in fiber and abundant source of vitamins and minerals. And I'm just gonna chop them small. It's always fun when you get that little bite of sweetness. Balances out that bit of bitterness in the salad from the arugula. Although some bakes are more peppery than others. So I can trick my husband once in a while. If I make a salad with some good toppings or a good dressing, then he doesn't mind it. I'm going to use a half of an avocado. I already washed the outside of it. I washed all this stuff. Definitely washed this stuff. I'm not getting beautiful produce from farmers markets here in Chicago most often. So yeah, I work with what I have, and I suggest do the same. Just going to squeeze this in. Avocados are my favorite fat source along with coconut, but I definitely have avocado more days than not. Lemon for vitamin C in our salad dressing. Just an easy way. I'm sure you've seen videos if you watched me before. The mashing up the avocado with the lemon juice is just kind of an easy way to make a salad dressing. That's not really a salad dressing, but it still tastes good, especially when I put in a little something sweet. Salad dressings often have something sweet. So when people find it odd that I add a little bit, my hands are too wet, find it odd that I add a little bit of sweetness to the salads, try it. I think you'll like it. Makes it more satisfying to me. Just dipping in my fork, little drizzle. And what else am I gonna do? Cayenne. Great for circulation, so many things. I definitely am adding more spice. If you've watched me, I'm definitely adding more jalapenos and peppers to my juices and smoothies lately. This is a mix of, I took it out of my cabinet, pink Himalayan salt, which I suggest if you're gonna buy a salt, do pink Himalayan salt or sea salt. No, do sea salt. I just have an endless bag of Himalayan salt, so I'm going through it first, but sea salt is my preferred salt. And then, it's just Himalayan salt is just a lot cheaper. That's another reason why I think I bought it. And that's why I bought it last time. These are dulse, kelp, and right here. These are all sources of iodine. Sea salt and pink Himalayan salt do not have iodine in it, so we want to add iodine to our diet by using like sea mineral rich things like dulse, kelp, what do I have? Kobu in my fridge for some soups. But yes, so right now I'm having a mix. It's just an easy way to not forget. It gives me the saltiness that I want from the Himalayan salt or sea salt, and it's adding an iodine from, I don't know why I just grabbed both. Either one is great, but giving the iodine from this. Otherwise, I add this, which is even better. It's by the Vitamin C brand. Highly recommend, to smoothies. It does taste different right away, so start small, work your way up, and then you won't even notice it. Okay, I'm gonna mash this together so I can get it all kind of dressed with the lemon juice and the avocado in there. I don't know if you can see this. And I'm gonna add some sesame seeds on top, mainly because they're in my fridge and they're taking up room. I bought these to make tahini. I was a little eager and I thought I could make my own tahini, and I feel like I was like ready to blow out my food processor, and it was not worth my energy. So some things, yeah, I'm just gonna buy store-bought. Tahini is one of them, but I tried. So now I'm gonna use these on salads. And voila, I have a lunch salad.